हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज मैं रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ अपने हेलमेट को। सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली दी एस्पिडा टूरेंस हेलमेट दैट आई हैव बॉट ऑनलाइन फ्रॉम स्पार्टन गियर्स। So it does look like this. So this basically come with the dark visor. I have installed the clear visor that I have bought from the Spartan Gears only, and here is this helmet. You can check it out. I will give you a close look. The visor is a little bit dirty because I just came from a ride. From the back it looked like this. This is basically the orange color. And the specialty of this helmet is, so basically it does come with this visor. It is good. I removed it and I have added a transparent clear visor. This is also I purchased from the same. Yep, so I have installed this external mic for the camera setup. I have installed this chin mount basically. This is from the Blue Armor. I will add the all links in the description. You guys can check out. So helmet is good. Sturdy. About the certification, so it does come with the ECE certification. The size is L, as you can see in the camera. Yep, we have the enough air vents here, like this here one, like this here is two. So it does not come with the pin lock visor. It does come with this smoke visor. So I have installed the clear and the pin lock visor. So yeah, it's good. The padding is nice, and we don't have the D lock here. We have a normal lock, but it's fine for me. I don't need a D lock. It is nice. It is yellow color, but in the camera it's looking like little bit pinkish, but yeah, it's the dark yellow color. So here's the guys. So yeah, it does come with the tall visor, but the internal visor is not smoked, it is transparent, and the outer visor which comes as a smoke, as you can see, the outer visor come smoke visor, but the internal visor is transparent. Yeah, that's it.